What's the use of that worship? Prabhupada also mentioned that worship is not just offerings of fruits and garlands. The real worship is to worship the instructions of the spiritual master. So it's the teaching that really matters. And during the seminar of Brihad Bhagavatam, we saw that Gopuma's only objective was to serve the Lord and become absorbed in remembering the wonderful activities and the glories of the Lord. Sometimes he was directly perceiving it, sometimes he was indirectly being directed to it. So, and that's why the first day of the seminar I just mentioned that many of you came for the seminar, but I got to know that many others were coming just for this occasion for 1 or 2 days. And I expressed my disappointment. This fanfare, this worship became so important that the teachings became secondary. No interest for the teachings. That is not right. As a spiritual teacher, it's my responsibility to remind you that if you want to make spiritual progress, then get absorbed in the teachings, get absorbed in hearing. And hearing just doesn't mean just direct hearing. Hearing means heeding. So, when you have the opportunity to directly hear from senior devotees, self-realized devotees, it's very important. But when that opportunity is not there, read through the Lord's books. And they only will get the real spiritual benefit.